Hi, I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you two powerful ways to work with formulas. How to display all active formulas in your worksheet at once. How to highlight all the cells that a formula references. Step 1. Display all active formulas. Here's my spreadsheet of NBA guards and their stats. Some cells show raw numbers, and others contain formulas. Instead of clicking each cell to see if it contains a formula, you can display all formulas at once. Simply hold the Ctrl key and tap the grave accent key right above Tab. Now the worksheet shows all formulas instead of results. You can quickly see which cells are calculated using formulas, for example, averages, medians, and standard deviations. Tip: click on any cell to see the formula in the formula bar. Excel even highlights all the cells that feed into that formula, so you can immediately see the source data. When you're done, hold Ctrl and tap the grave accent key again to return to normal view. Step 2. Highlight referenced cells without showing formulas. If you don't need to see the formula itself, but just want to see which cells it references, click the cell with the formula. Hold Ctrl and tap the open square bracket key. Excel will highlight all the cells used in that formula. For example, if a formula determines whether a player is balanced based on points, rebounds, assists, and steals, using Ctrl+ instantly highlights all the data that contributes to that calculation. Both of these shortcuts are super handy when working with formulas and functions in Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like, follow and subscribe, and click the bell to get notified when I post a new video.